Hey everyone, if Microsoft OneNote keeps crashing when you open it, switch notebooks, or edit your notes, it can quickly become frustrating. Fortunately, most OneNote crashes can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft OneNote crashing so you can get back to taking notes without interruptions. So let's get started. First, completely close Microsoft OneNote and reopen it. If the app continues crashing, restart your computer or mobile device. Yeah, a simple restart often clears temporary glitches that can cause unexpected crashes. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of OneNote. Open Microsoft Store, Office Updates, or your device's App Store and install any available updates. Many stability issues are fixed through regular software updates. If your notebooks are stored in OneDrive, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Sync interruptions or connection issues can sometimes cause OneNote to freeze or crash while loading notebook content. On Windows, open the App Settings, find Microsoft OneNote, then choose Advanced Options. Try the Repair option first. If the crashes continue, you can use the Reset option, but make sure your notebooks are fully synchronized before doing so. If you're using the desktop version with third-party add-ins, temporarily disable them to see if one is causing the crashes. I mean, restart OneNote after disabling each add-in to test whether the issue has been resolved. If nothing else works, uninstall and reinstall Microsoft OneNote. After signing back into your Microsoft account, your cloud notebooks will automatically download again, provided they've been syncing correctly. And that's how to fix Microsoft OneNote crashing. In most cases, updating the app, repairing the installation, or reinstalling OneNote will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.